Okay, my dog loves this interactive toy. So she loves plushies, which I think is the main reason why she likes it. And it just also is like very different and intrigues her. So it's a cute little plushie. And then on the back side, it has a Velcro spot. And then there's a button here. And it's a charging port too. So whenever it dies, you just plug it in and charge it up. But you click on the button and there's a couple different modes. There's a mode where like you can record yourself talking. There's a mode where it dances. There's a mode where it dances with music. There's just so many different features on this. It's super cool. And the Velcro is very sturdy. So like she has not been able to open up the Velcro yet. There's a couple of the modes she's not a huge fan of, but overall she really likes it. There's like a crazy one. Let's see. And then you Velcro it. It will stand up on its own and bounce around, and then she just kind of follows on. Get a pace, get a pace. But it's such a fun little toy. She loves going after it. She's so confused by it, but it's a fun little thing to keep her busy. This toy was actually gifted to us, and it's a good thing to keep your dog busy and playful since it's so interactive. So she loves it. Get it.